What's up guys, my name's John. Thanks for watching Whisper Tactical, and today I got to shoot a honey badger SD for the first time. I got to compare the honey badger SD to my custom 300 Blackout build, and I just wanted to see if the Hybrid 46 sounded as good as an actual 30 caliber can. We shot a couple different kinds of ammo through it, so I've got a little bit of that footage that I'm getting ready to show you. It's not a lot, it's just enough for you to be able to tell whether or not you think you like the way they sound, and if you're thinking about getting a Hybrid 46, this may make you go ahead and, you know, make the decision. Onto the footage. So, what size barrel's on the honey badger?
7.5.
What's the suppressor?
So they call it the honey badger suppressor. You can only get it when you get that gun in that configuration.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, the honey badger suppressor with Fiocchi subsonics, and then the silencer called Hybrid 46, and my 10.5 inch build. 75 yards. Same ammo, honey badger. At the ear, this one sounds so much better. At this distance. What is that? 170 out there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's finish it up. The 300 Blackouts again with the Hornady subsonic line. It's 190 grain sub X moving at 1050 feet per second. We'll go 75 yards first. Oh wow. Alright, let's go 170.
That shit's quiet.
Yeah, that's a little quieter than the Fiocchi, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 75. Fogging up, man, I can't see. 170. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Did not make contact with anything. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon below to be notified whenever I upload new content.